Oh, so what up, YouTube? Back again with another one. On the road, headed down here to go get into a little trouble. Well, not actually no trouble, because you know I don't really do trouble like that though. But as you can see in the background, I got my guy Sonic with me today. I just decided to pull it out and ride it for the first time in a while, man. I haven't rode it. So we're headed down to Swainsboro with my guy, Bucket Dem. Actually, we got some drag racing going on this time, along with another little ride out again. So I'm gonna do a little riding footage, but I want feedback from you guys. You tell me how you feeling about everything as far as the content goes. Do you enjoy the racing content? Do you enjoy the riding content? I know I haven't did any trail ride content in a while, and I'm actually scheduling and planning a trip in the near, and I'm talking about real near future. And yeah, I'm gonna actually set up a meet and greet before the end of the year, because I know a lot of you guys been wanting to do that. And it's really just been a slow year all the way around the board as far as with the COVID-19 and everything else that's been going on. So man, just try to bear with me, but I appreciate all the love and support that you've been giving me. Also, man, as you can see in some of my videos, I've been bringing more and more car content, trying to blend everything together, and just trying to go all over the board for the most part with everything. What else? Merch. Dropping merch really soon. It's actually in the works, and it's closer than ever this time. I finally found a good vendor for everything that I wanted, to bring you guys a good quality product that'll last and that you'll be completely satisfied with once you get it. You know what I'm saying? And that was the main thing I wanted to bring you guys. Other than that, that's pretty much everything that's going on in a nutshell, as you can see, man. And I got a couple giveaways that I'm gonna do too, just because of the love and the support you guys been giving me. So it's a must that I give back to you guys. You know what I'm saying? So right now, man, I'm on the way down to Swainsboro, and I'll catch you guys when we get down.
Ooh, big head on the beat.
Again, like a relapsing crack addict. I know how I do.
Big head
doing what I do. Now we on something a little different today though. We on a RMC 250 slide. A fun little bike though, you know. It ain't nothing like the 450s, but fun. Oh man, you can smell Sonic with the perfume coming out of his outfit. No homo. Smell the M112 burning. Yeah, I gotta get right out of these holes. This ain't gonna work. It's been a minute though since I've been on dirt bikes, on dirt tires though, you know what I'm saying? I like the feel. I gotta give me one more. So with that being said, I need me another dirt. I think I'm gonna buy a KTM. You heard it here first, people. I think I'm gonna buy a KTM. Don't hold me to that though. I got a lot of other things going on. Or I may even buy a Can-Am, one of the big Can-Ams. I like them too. That flame out of Sonic, y'all saw that? God damn. You can use a sprocket change though, you know what I'm saying? Oh Lord. It's one of those situations where you gotta really keep your head on the swivel. I'm really loving the blue and slime green, like color on the Raptors and new Yamaha 450s. Only thing about it, I really feel like it's too cliche to stand out too much. So after you do it, like it stand out so much that you really lose the little pizzazz and big after the first time you see it a couple times. Cause now I'm tired of seeing them already. Yeah, coming to a ride out, no cargo. Let me know how it works out for you. Talk to me. feel. Yeah, let me get the hell off behind him. I just be flow. And there's the bucket. Woo! Oh, by the way, our comedy clip of the week starts right here.
Why they been taking the shit out of the dough, man? What the f? This man taking the shit, man. Hey, you nasty you. Look at that nasty.
Boy, if you don't.
Nasty bitch.
And we're back. Sad part about it, this ain't a push start, more like a damn kick start, so you can't be switching off like I usually do. Thank God for technology. Right, really? Right. See some hellified characters out here. Bike life. Howdy do. Well, first up, kind of cool. Nothing too major, nothing too much. Just a little light little session, like we usually do. I like them K&Ms though, man. I like them. They're neat to me. They're just heavy. That's an 850. That's a 1,000. I want one. I think I want one. Whew. I know. Look at your ball. You said the boy gonna let you fall. Hell, look at your ball. Hey, you use that mother a couple times.
No. I was up front.
Your bucket turned around.
Oh, buddy on the red folder broke down.
Yeah, bucket turned around. Don't make it too far ahead.
Huh?
Bucket way up.
No, I shot around.
Buddy that worked out there with us.
Hey.
very next evening.
Yo, so what up, YouTube? So right now, man, it's time for us to get ready to take Dirty Diana to the shop. The day has come. Reckon. So right now, man, I'm getting ready to load up all the parts and get ready to head on up out of here. Then from that point on, we're headed somewhere toward another race to attend, I think, per usual. By the way, I have another event to attend to really soon. I think a lot of you will be interested, most definitely. I'm thinking about taking a trip up, I think it's Iron Mountain, ATV park, up in somewhere up in North Georgia, around Atlanta. But with all in all, man, right now, thank you for all the love and support as always. But without no further ado, let me load up these parts so we can get on up out of here and hit you guys when I'm on the way there.
Showroom goddamn flow. I don't got none. They won't tell you. I still got stockings off.
Damn, mine was up on there.
Oh, I can have it. Don't get one now. I ain't even ran my bike today.
Shit, you went out there for BT up? I ain't see that either. I ain't see that either.
BT and the goddamn out too, then you.
No, hell no. You went riding.
Well, if y'all think I'm faster than racing seat, but I won't look at my ass right now.
Somebody called and complained?
Yeah.
They lied, cause we ain't been riding. We ain't been riding.
Hey, it's good, man. It's good. If y'all on the road, man, just, if you're in the city limits, just kind of keep it slow, okay? That way, because right now I'm not trying to mess around with, people just trying to have fun, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So, y'all keep it in mind, if y'all going by some of these houses, people gonna call and complain. I'm sure the pool weather might be a little loud. Alright. Is that the little Raptor 700? They just told me, one of my buddies works at BOONE'S. He said one boy got a Raptor out here. He said that thing get on up and move. Appreciate it. That yours? Appreciate it.
Ain't got nothing fast.
I thought myself that the group force was fast till I saw one of them little Raptors. I said, yeah, mine ain't got nothing. I said it ain't got nothing.
Location be right. So far, police have already pulled up in the spot as you just seen. So we're headed to play the plan B. I don't know how this gonna work. Look at, I'm in Soper. The last time I was down here in Soper, I was hiding in the bushes, ducking from the police for about 2 to 3 hours. So y'all bear with me and pray for it. I really don't know how this gonna turn out, but pray for the best. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. There's one stomach sticking over the damn line, ain't it?
He needs some milk.
Yeah.
Damn. Man, fuck what you're talking about, nigga. You got it head up with the 660. Nigga?
330, nigga.
660.
Give me the hit. I'm gonna show you how I'm
660.
gonna do this.
660, I'm gonna go to your ass.
I'm gonna smack you, young man.
Come on.
Give us the hit. We're gonna try some.
Hey, get y'all neck.
You got a 700.
You should lock one.
Might do tomorrow.
Bring it down here.